Hello sir, my name is Abhijit Kumar Singh. First, introduction. In calculus, derivative of a function used to check whether the function is increasing or decreasing on any interval in given domain. For a given function y equal to fx, if the value of y is increasing on increasing the value of x, then the function is known as increasing function. And if the value of y is decreasing on increasing the value of x, then the function is known as decreasing function. In figure 1, in this given function, x1 is smaller than x2 and fx1 is smaller than fx2. So we can say it is an increasing function. In this function, the value of y is decreasing on increasing the value of x, as x1 is smaller than x2 and fx1 is smaller than fx2. For a function y equal to fx to be increasing, dy by dx should be greater than and equal to 0. For all such values in interval a comma b, an equality may hold for discrete values. Example, check whether y equal to x cube is an increasing or decreasing function. Solution, dy by dx is equal to 3x square, which is greater than and equal to, so it is an increasing function as given in figure. Function y equal to fx to be monotonically decreasing, dy by dx should be smaller than equal to 0. For all such values of interval a comma b, an equality may hold for discrete values. Example, check whether the function y equal to minus 3x/4 plus 7 is an increasing function or decreasing function. Solution, differentiate the function with respect to x. We get dy by dx is equal to minus 3/4, which is smaller than equal to 0. So we say that it is a decreasing function as given in the figure. Thank you.